Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a NinjaTrader Add Ons. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and download and install this add-on. It's a fixed text indicator. So I want to go ahead and click on download. Now while that's downloading, we come back here to NinjaTrader and then go ahead and click on tools, and then from here you want to go ahead and click on import. So make sure to click on import. Now for whatever reason it's just not working on my NinjaTrader, so maybe because I've got the free version. So yeah, click on to import, and then on the next screen here this is going to open up an import window. Then basically select that add-on, so browse to where you save the downloaded.zip file, select the file and click on open, and then confirm the import. So NinjaTrader will process the file and install the add-on. Now if NinjaTrader asks whether you want to replace an existing file, go ahead and read the file name carefully. If it is a standard NinjaTrader system indicator, NinjaTrader recommends no, rather than replacing the current system version. And then once the installation is complete, go ahead and find that add-on. So the location depends on the type of add-on you've installed. So if it's an indicator, so we want to go ahead and open up a chart. So click onto chart. Now I'm just going to select any chart here, click on OK. Now, once this chart opens, I want to go ahead and right click inside the chart, and then I want to click onto indicators, and then find your newly listed indicator here. If you can't see it, go ahead and do a search for it, and then go ahead and click on OK, and then that's going to be added to your chart.